In this video, we'll be showing you how we change the engine air filter on our 2001 Chevy Tahoe. The first thing we need to do is pop open the hood. Then, once we have the hood open, we're going to want to locate the air box. This is going to be located on the left-hand side, and it is this component right here. This is what houses the engine air filter, but in order to get to the filter, there are 4 screws that hold this piece together that we need to remove. And as you can see here, these are the 4 screws that we'll be removing so we can access that air filter. Taking just a standard Phillips screwdriver, we're going to go ahead and remove all 4 of these screws so we can open up the air box. With the screws now removed, accessing the air filter is very simple. Just lift up on the top half of the air box, and you should be able to grab that old filter and pull it right out. This air filter, as you can see, it was in desperate need of a change. On the left-hand side, we got that old one all dirty and nasty, and then on the right, that is our brand new filter that we're going to be putting in. But before we go ahead and add that new filter in, I'm going to take just a regular paper towel. You could also use a little cloth or something. I'm just really trying to wipe up any of that dirt, grime, or dust that is stuck inside the air box, just to make it as clean as we can before we put that new filter in. Once it's been cleaned out, we'll go ahead and take that filter and just drop it back into place. Biggest thing we just need to make sure is that that orange little lip is flush with the air box so it can close nice and tight on it. If you are trying to figure out what type of filter your car requires, I would recommend looking at the owner's manual, as it will depend on the trim of your vehicle. Okay, once that is done, we'll go ahead and just take these 4 screws and go ahead and replace them back to their spots. And that is how you change the engine air filter on a 2001 Chevy Tahoe. If you found this video helpful, it'd mean a lot if you could hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.